Hi, good morning. It's Paul here at February 22nd, 2019. Let's see what's going on in the market today. Alright, let's see. So, lowest priced condo, 1,084 square feet. That's 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. Looks pretty nice. Nice and clean. Nice pool. Should close that toilet seat. Look at this. Why would they leave that on the counter? Oh well. Another toilet seat up. Jeez. We should open the blinds too when they're taking pictures. Makes it show a whole lot better. Anyway, that's my opinion. So it looks pretty nice. Let's see where it is. Lake Mead and Los Feliz, Hollywood. Okay. In the northeast. Alright, sounds good. Let's see the highest priced this morning, $634,000. Nice looking house, good curb appeal. Upgraded kitchen. See? Toilet seat down. Okay. So this is up in the loft area. Okay, a little office space there at the top of the stairs. That's nice. Yeah, see, they're smart too. Toilet seat down. Pet peeve of mine. Okay. We have no pool, no spa. Okay. For $634,000, built in 13. Okay, we're in the Summerlin area. That's why it's so expensive. Okay. Alright, then yesterday, Pirates Cove, we looked at that one. And here's a new listing from yesterday, 3.3 million. 6,600 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 5 baths, pool, spa. Oh, that looks nice. Interesting. Strip view, indoor outdoor living. Yeah, it's a pretty nice house. So $3.4 million will buy you, $3.3 million will buy you. So where are we? Southern Highlands. Okay. Alright. Well, that's that. Let's see what is closed. See, we have 611 homes in contract now. Market's starting to heat up. So lowest priced, $65,000. Condo closed yesterday. Nice and clean. Small but clean. $65,000 looks like a pretty good buy for $65,000. If there's any amenities here. Yep, pool and spa. I don't know what they have that there for. That's the unit. Okay. Vegas Valley Drive. Maryland Parkway in Vegas Valley. Right near downtown. Looks like a pretty good buy. Okay, highest price yesterday. $3 million. Quintessa Circle, 2-story, 7,700 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 7 baths, pool, spa. Nice shot. Beautiful picture. Strip in the background. Fireplace. Is that outdoor living? Yeah, because you got your outdoor living here. That's pretty nice. Big area here for entertaining. Yeah, that's quite a nice house. Big pool, spa, all those pavers. Nicely updated kitchen. It's a very nice house. Over 3 million. Southern Highlands again. Okay, some of the stuff in Southern Highlands is starting to move. That was built in 14. Okay. Well, that's that. So I will talk to you soon. You have a great day.